Hi, welcome to all of you. In this video, I am going to explain what is eigenvalue and eigenvector of matrix. So let's take one example. This is the matrix A and the value is minus 2, 1, 1, minus 11, 4, 5, minus 1, 1, 0. And we have to find out the eigenvector and eigenvalue. So this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will be having 3 eigenvalue and corresponding 3 eigenvector. So each eigenvalue will have their respective eigenvector. So let's see how to find out the eigenvector and eigenvalue. So let's take this example. So here first of all we have to write it in this format: determinant of matrix A minus lambda I. So A is the matrix which is given to us, I is the identity matrix. So here 3 by 3 identity matrix. You all know what is identity matrix. So this is the 3 by 3 identity matrix you can see here. This is 3 plus 3 identity matrix, and the lambda which we have to find out as a lambda value, eigenvalue. This is nothing but eigenvalue. This one we will be finding out here. So you can see here this is A minus lambda identity matrix. So we have solved it. So again this is A vector A, matrix A, and then minus, if you multiply lambda to this identity matrix, you will get all the principal diagonal element lambda, and remaining will be 0 as it is. And if you subtract this matrix to this matrix, you will get this one. So minus 2, all the corresponding data will be subtracted. So this one will be subtracted from this element to this one. So minus 2 minus lambda, 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. Again 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1. Then minus 11, 0, minus 11, 4 minus lambda, 5 minus 0. Then third row, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, and 0 minus lambda is 0 minus lambda. So now take the determinant of this. So this one we have taken, and this particular row and column will be deleted. Then 4 minus lambda multiplied by this and then this, so minus 5. So you all know how to calculate the determinant. If you do not know, I have already explained my previous video. You go and please watch that one or get some information from anywhere. So you have solved this one, and this is nothing but a determinant, and now you are solving this particular equation. So if you solve this, ultimately you will get this equation here: minus lambda cube plus 2 lambda square plus lambda minus 2 equal to 0. And then this, after solving this, you will get this particular equation. So from here you have taken lambda square common from this 2, so lambda minus 2, and from here you have taken minus 1 as a common, so lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So you got lambda square minus 1, lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So lambda equal to 2 is the one value, and then lambda equal to plus minus 1 is another value. So finally we got lambda 1 equal to 1, lambda 2 equal to minus 1, and lambda 3 is nothing but 2. So this is the eigen value we got it. So let's now calculate the eigenvector for this particular first lambda 1. Similarly you can calculate for all other 2 also. Okay, so now we have got it. The value of lambda 1 is 1, lambda 2 equal to minus 1, and lambda 3 equal to 2. So this is nothing but eigenvalue. Now we have to find out eigenvector for all three eigenvalues. So let's take first one, lambda 1 equal to 1. Similarly you can find out for all others eigenvalues also. So what we have to do, we have to put this lambda 1 value in this equation, 1 minus lambda I. So a, if you put it this, so a is nothing but minus 2, 1, 1, minus 11, 4, 5, minus 1, 1, 0. So this is our initial vector A, matrix A, and then minus lambda is nothing but 1, and identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you multiply 1 with this and then subtract it, so you will finally get it this one, minus 3, 1, 1, minus 11, 3, 5, minus 1, 1, minus 1. So this you will get it. So now this is the matrix, we got it here for after performing this operation. So we have to equate this, minus 3, 1, 1, minus 11, 3, 5, then minus 1, 1, minus 1, and then we have to write the unknown variable x1, x2, x3 equal to 0. So let's solve this one. So what to do? Just put it here, x1, x2, x3 plus, minus, plus equal to. For x1, what you do? Hide the first column and first row. So we will get this one. So determinant of this 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Similarly for x2, first row, second column. So you will get it minus 11, 5, minus 1, minus 1. Similarly for x3, first row, third column. So here you will get minus 11, 5, minus 1, minus 1. So if you solve this one, x1 equal to, you will get minus 8, x2 equal to 16, and x3 equal to minus 8. And further if you solve it, so you will get it x1 1, x2 2, and x3 again 1. So we have cancelled it this one. So what is the value of this? x1, x2, and x3? We got it 1, 2, 1. So this is the eigenvector for eigenvalue, which is nothing but lambda 1 equal to 1. So similarly you try to find out for lambda 2 equal to minus 1, and when lambda 3 equal to 3. So there will be a eigenvector for minus 1 and eigenvector for minus 2 also. So this you have to do it. Please follow the same procedure and you can find out this one. So I have explained it, what is eigenvector, what is eigenvalue, how to calculate it. So if you have any questions related to this, please put it in comment box, because I am going to explain in next video what is rank, what is semi-definite, what is positive semi-definite, what is negative semi-definite. So this concept will be required over there. So thank you for now.